everyone, in the next 1 minute, I'll show you how to invest in the S&P 500 on Pepperstone step by step. Please note that this is done through CFDs with leverage of 20 times, as it is the maximum allowed for index CFDs for European investors according to ESMA regulation. CFDs are leveraged derivatives. You don't own the S&P 500, you're only speculating on its price. 1. Go to Indices from your dashboard and click on Indices. Search for US 500 and select it. That's the S&P 500. 2. Place your order. Click the buy button. Now choose how many lots you want to trade. In this example, we'll go with 1 lot. On US 500, 1 lot means every single point the index moves equals about $1 up or down in your P&L. You can pick from market, limit, or stop orders. We'll keep it simple and select market. You can add a stop loss to cap risk or a take profit to lock gains. We'll leave both blank for the demo. You can see estimated margin required is around 264 euros. That's 5% of the €5 280 contract value. The other 95% is covered by the 20 times leverage. 3. Confirm your trade. Click buy one at market price. A confirmation will pop up. Your order has been filled instantly. 4. View your position. Now hit view to see your open positions. Here you'll find your live trade with real-time P&L, entry price, and more. 5. Check your dashboard. Click home and you'll see your S&P 500 position on your main dashboard too. And that's it. You've just opened a position on the S&P 500 using CFDs on Pepperstone. Want more detail? The link in the description takes you straight to Pepperstone. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quick guides, and if you're new to Pepperstone, check out our channel for step-by-step guides on deposits, withdrawals, and broker comparisons. See you in the next one.